Well, we've been working on this hillside and just putting the pipe in place. Is a journey yet. It's not even installing it in the ditch. When I say we, I wasn't watching. I was helping. So this would be like the 12th time up this hill today, 14th. You get to be a journey with me. At this point, it was so steep that the trencher with tracks was slipping. So we decided to go to the top of the hill and come down. Let the weight of the trencher see if it going downhill will not slip. We're going to find out. Excuse my heavy breathing. Definitely going uphill. And we're going to have to dig by hand down to here. See how close you got it down here. Well, you still got to do it. Some Dan digging. But it's still better than doing all this by hand. So steep, it's slipping all the time. So James is running the last 10 feet or so. Getting pretty good at it. There's no part of this hillside that doesn't have an incline of at least 22%, and the majority of it's at 32% incline, and some of it's 36. So we had to work from the top down because trying to go up, the tracks would slide and not do any good at all. We were barely getting a foot in 10 minutes, and it was sliding all over the place. So we had to come from the top down, which would allow the weight of the trencher to hold it in and encourage it to pull down. It actually goes much faster going downhill, like everything. But you have to be careful. You don't want it to, in this kind of a height or incline, you won't want it to flip over. So we had to build a a ramp. You just can't really see. Build it up underneath, 2x12 with the tractor right on. Try to change the incline so that the trencher didn't try to tilt over, roll over. Sorry that the noise is the way it is, but it is what it is. Put this thing through a work. It really did a good job.